acres. It's about 370 acres. Everybody's trash comes here. Actually, all the trash that's generated in Franklin County, all of that comes to this landfill. So that's over 1 million tons a year of trash that comes to this landfill. Can you fathom 1 million tons?
No, not really.
It's hard to fathom.
It's hard to fathom 1 ton.
It is. Just 2,000 pounds. And there's
Right.
about almost 4,000 tons that come here every day. So right now, I mean, we're diverting close to about 50% of the material that's generated in Franklin County is actually diverted from the landfill.
Oh,
So
that's
that
good.
includes everything like tires, electronics,
Yeah.
your curbside recycling, all of that kind of stuff. So there's a lot that gets diverted, but there's still a lot that comes here.
Yeah.
And since we have a growing population,
Right.
we're also throwing away more material. We're consuming more material. So that's part of the challenge. And you can see here we have probably over 400 dump trucks that come in here a day.
Yeah.
To landfill material. But part of our goal is actually to achieve a 75% diversion rate by 2032.
And what does diversion mean? Like, is that recycling specifically?
So
Or?
diversion is basically anything that gets diverted from the landfill that would otherwise come here. So recycling falls into that, composting, reuse, so reusing materials. So right now, you're standing on about 30 feet of trash. And so what they are working on right now is what we call the separatory liner. And so a landfill is basically lined to really high standards of technology to make sure that all the material is kept contained. And so these are new cells. If you look to the right, these are undeveloped cells, but a cell is basically the name for where material is placed in the landfill. And so right now we're sitting on top of a cell. But what you look at over there is there's the different layers or connections, and so they're actually creating part of a liner that separates one cell from another. And they're working on that right now. You can actually see kind of these dark, kind of big chips there. Those are all tires. Those are recycled tires that we use on the sides of these slopes here. So I actually look forward to really hearing from a lot of restaurants in the business community and learning about their needs and their challenges and how we can develop more solutions to help them out.
To learn more, join us at the ORA Idea Factory on June 5th from 9 to 11 a.m. at the IGS corporate office. Register at ohiorestaurant.org/events.